Edmund, we're seeing stock futures somewhat in the green here, but meandering all morning. What are you seeing overseas?
Well, Brian, stocks are all under pressure here in Europe. I think it's safe to say that pessimism about the pace of the economic recovery has truly taken hold in European markets, at least. The pan-European stock 600 index is down around 0.5% as we speak, reflecting losses in Paris, Frankfurt, and in London, where Chancellor Rishi Sunak has just announced his summer statement, which is essentially a mini mid-year budget. He made a number of huge moves, including offering employers a £1,000 bonus for every worker they bring back to work off of the government's furlough scheme. This could cost up to £9 billion in total, he said. He also announced a significant VAT reduction for the tourism and hospitality sectors, and a temporary axing of taxes on property transactions for sales of up to £500,000. And that's just three of a whole host of measures announced by Sunak in the past hour, but it's doing nothing to lift the FTSE and the pound, which had been holding at 3-week highs against the dollar and is now down around 0.2%.
Edmund, some news catching my attention this morning. A top Bank of England economist warning about a potential third wave of COVID-19. Aren't we just only getting into a second wave or not even there yet?
Yes, Brian, there's a lot of mixed messages coming from Andy Haldane, who is the Bank of England's chief economist. Last week, he was predicting a V-shaped recovery for the UK economy, or at least he said the early evidence indicated as such, but a word of warning that this early evidence was based on a pile of experimental indicators such as Google search trends and high street footfall data. But now he's predicting second, third, and even fourth waves of coronavirus infections in the UK, saying they surely will come. But he said, of course, how big they would be and how tall the peak would be is open to question. More positively, however, he told Buckingham University that the pace of the UK's recovery had been faster than either he or the Bank of England or any mainstream macroeconomic forecaster had predicted in recent weeks and months.
Hey investors, Zach Guzman here. Are you interested in learning more about the markets and getting the latest financial news? Well, then click right here to subscribe to our Yahoo Finance YouTube channel. Get the latest up-to-the-minute market analysis, big interviews in the world of finance, and information on how to manage your money every day wherever you are.